Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean up the mess on your desktop in just 1 minute. So as you can see, my desktop really looks very messy. There are so many files and folders everywhere and it's not looking good at all. So now I can't sit and remove each files or folders one by one, right? So that would take a lot of time. So instead, let me show you one simple trick. Just right click anywhere on your desktop and you can go to the option called view and you can click on show desktop icon. See, all the icon disappeared instantly and your desktop looks completely clean. So don't worry, your files and folders are not deleted, they are just hidden actually. If you want to bring them back, the simple trick is to right click again and go to view, click on show desktop icon, and that's it. All your files, folders and shortcuts will appear again. So it's a quick and easy trick whenever you want to clean desktop or a present for a presentation or a recording or just to make your screen look neat. You can use this trick and make it happen. So that's for today's video, and if you found my video or tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.